Okay, uh, just wanted to explain a little about the indicator window one. Indicator window one, the settings that I use. That one of the things that helps me know when market is on overbought and oversold. Very, very awesome. You understand me? Awesome. So you can see when the market is down 10 and below, what you do is you expect market to reverse from there. You can see what happened from here. 10 and below, you can see. Okay, so when you happen to catch a trade at this level, your target should be at level 50. Okay, level 50, and look at where market hits your target for you here, straight up. You understand? You are entered here, market went to buy. Despite the spike that happened along the way, it still got to that place. A lot of people are scared. You don't need to be scared. Okay, believe in your system. One of the reasons why your strategy doesn't work for you is because you don't believe in it. You're always looking for the new strategy. What's the new strategy? What's the new strategy? You understand what I'm saying? What's the new strategy? What's the new strategy? You understand me? If you believe in your strategy, it will deliver for you to deliver. You understand me? So your 50 should be your target. Okay, so looking at this particular place here, from 50 again, you can see despite the spike along the way, it still headed up and got to where? To 90, which is this particular zone here. So the buy started from here, rallied up, rallied up, rallied up, rallied up, and got to where? To 90. So let's move on, let's move on, let's see more. From that 90, look at what happened again. We had if you had entered your sell trade from there, it will still pay. Telling us market is overbought, get ready to what? For to sell, and it began to sell from there and took you down here, gave a double bottom here. Okay, and be reversed back up again to 90, tells you to sell, and you sold. You can see that now. Target should be at 50, and then that market, let me show you what happened here. Remember, it left 90 to 10, but the market behaves as if it wants to go back. You can see as if it's not going to where? To 10, and from here it began to drop again to 10 and actually go to 10. This is your buying position now. This way you enter the buy, because from here you know where it's going next, to 90, and you can see the move straight up. Despite the spike along the way, it still got to 90. You can see how it works. You can see now. Hold up, let me show you something. Let me get another one. Okay, so you can see, so your target should always be where? Be 50, be at 50. Look at this now, the market came down again to this particular zone here. So this, using this particular indicator window one, okay, can serve you good. When I'm saying 90% of the time, can serve you good 90% of the time. Okay, the other 10% is the market stretch. You understand me? When this indicator tells you is a trend that's changed from buy to sell, it has really changed, or sell to buy, it has really changed. You can see as I back test, you can see how it has been moving. Look at it, from 10 to 90, 90 to 10, 10 to 90, but it's not in one straight order, not in one straight form. Market does not move straight, it's going up straight, just like that. Charlie, you can see, look at, straight up like this. No, it goes up, it comes down, it goes up, breaking this particular high it made before, and comes back down again. You think it's going down, it's going back up again. It come again to rest, just like that, like a step. It goes up, it comes down, and when it's coming down, it comes down, it goes up a little, okay, comes down more again than before. Market moves up, down, up, down. You understand what I'm saying? In the boom and crash market, normal trend, spike trend, normal trend, spike trend, normal trend, spike trend, not in one straight move. You get it? That is how it is. That's why indicators and systems are made to take advantage of that move. Look at these ones here now. You can see how it is. Okay, level 10 to 90, 90 to 10, 10 to 90, 90 to 10. So this indicator shows you. So if the market has not gotten to level 90, expect more spike down if it's crash. You understand? Because this indicator can tell you that, look, the market is already ready to buy or sell when it touches level 10 here. You can see that now. It touched level 10 here. from here again. Okay, this is the buy point. You can see came back to that same zone again before it started shooting up to level 50. You have hit your target here, somewhere here. You understand? So looking at this again, from level 90, this is where the selling started. Started from here, began to sell downwards to level 50, somewhere around here. It hit a level 50 for you. Look at this one too, from 10 straight to 90. When it gets to 10, you know where it's going next. When it gets to 90, you know where it's going next. So it's very good for you to get this indicator on the one, so you can use it to determine the market and accuracy 90% of the time, no matter the spike. You can tell. So it helps me to know when market want to reverse. It helps me to know the selling dominant, to know the buying dominant. Even when I go to 15-minute time frame, I see these things. Look at it here. Okay, look at it. You can see the play. You can see. You can see now. So it tells me market is about to reverse, or market is now in 90 ready to buy. Look at it here. Before in 90, it came back to 50, hit your target, went back up. It didn't get to 10 and began to come back again to where? To level 10 and move back up again to 50. So you can see how it works. You can see how it works. So from here now, we're supposed to move back again to level 90 and trend back here, but it did not. It came back here, it didn't touch 10. Market was in between. Market is, or let me say was in between. So you can see how it works. Look at it. 90 to 10 straight up. 50 target was hit somewhere here. If you had entered from this sell zone here, straight down, okay, and you move. So that is how you can enjoy this indicator. Okay, so you need to have tools that work. All right, it's very important. Have tools that work, so you can live with them, stick with them, don't change. You stick with them for a long time, keep milking, keep using them to trade. They will really help you. And again, you need to understand the tools that you use. Understand the tools that you use. Don't just buy any indicator. You understand me? You have to understand it before you can use it. Every indicator work, but you need to understand how they work with the market. Every indicator was built for different purposes. Not all indicators are the same. You understand? So in this window, I'm putting like 4 indicators here. One is the demand and supply indicator. One is the spike load indicator. One is the, okay, there are 3. One is the indicator window 1 on this particular chart. Okay, 1, 2, 3 indicators here on my chart. All right, guys, thank you very much. So please make sure you try to get this setting. It will help you in your indicator window 1, telling you when market is reversed, the market is not reversed, and all that. You can see your market is heading to now. Okay, look at it here. Market is at it came back down below 50 before, went up, coming back down again up to level 10. You understand? That's what we are doing right now. So you can see how it moves and it corresponds with the market. Look at this place from here, 90 crosses your 50 from here. It didn't get to 10, which is at this particular spot here. It didn't get to 10. Came back up again. It didn't get up. Cross the middle, cross the middle, and that's middle, that's 50, and then went back up again. You can see how the market has been playing, still heading towards down, heading towards this direction. You can see if you should draw a trend line there, this market is heading down towards, okay, you can see that's how we are anticipating the market to go in this particular crash 300 in the 15-minute time frame. All right, guys, thank you very much. Please get this indicator window 1. Okay, I'm not giving it alone, I'm giving it with all the system, but if you want it alone separately, no problem, you can have it, you can negotiate for it, and you can get it. I'll also give it to you. It may not be at the same price when I give you the whole complete set, no problem. So just have it and do yourself good. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful time.